Okay, example 2 asks us for the real fourth roots of 16. Okay, fourth roots means that we have some number to the fourth power is equal to 16. Which means that x to the fourth minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay. Once again, we're looking at a binomial structure. Every time we do these problems, it's going to be x to some power equals some number, so it's going to be a binomial structure every time. It's a matter of recognizing which one of those three it is as far as factoring is concerned. This one's a difference of two squares. Even powers are perfect squares. 16 is 4 times 4. That's a perfect square. So this factors to x squared plus 4 times x squared minus 4. So your fourth power is going to break down to second powers, and your 16 happens to be 4 times 4. If it said 9, it would be 3 times 3. If it said 4, it would be 2 times 2, and so on. All right? Now, continuing on, x squared minus 4, this one breaks down again into x plus 2 times x minus 2, because again, it's the difference of two squares. Difference meaning subtraction of two perfect squares. X times x is x squared, 2 times 2 is 4, perfect squares being subtracted. X squared plus 4 is a sum of squares. It does not factor. So if I factored as much as I possibly can, this breaks down to this, the difference of squares left over breaks down a second time, and I'm left here, so either x squared plus 4 equals 0, x plus 2 equals 0, or x minus 2 equals 0. Again, once you get factored form equal to 0, then you set each factor equal to 0. I'm going to start on the right-hand side here. If I take a look at this one here, if I chop the negative 2, it becomes positive 2, so x equals positive 2. Right here, x plus 2, I'm going to chop the plus 2, make it minus 2, so x equals negative 2. For this one here, x squared plus 4 equals 0. All I could do if I tried to solve it is say x squared equals negative 4, right? So if I did x equals, I get plus or minus the square root of negative 4, right? When you take the square root, you got to put the plus or minus there. Square root of negative 4, because that's what it would be, right? But again, that's not real. This says the real fourth roots. That's 2i and negative 2i, so that's no good. So then the answers here are 2 and negative 2.